So Bangladesh was kicked out of the World T20 by the ICC after they refused to play in India, citing security concerns. Pakistan, in turn, has decided to boycott their blockbuster fixture against India in India and will only play their games in the other co-host country of Sri Lanka. So Bangladesh kicked out of the tournament completely, and Pakistan is not going to India. And look, that entire part of the world is very complicated politically, religiously, and in terms of genuine security concerns. So it is incumbent on the world governing body of cricket, the ICC, to address all the concerns of all their members in a fair and equitable way. And just like they do when it comes to the Indians, the ICC should treat all nations with leniency. Remember now, the ICC stands for the International Cricket Council and not India's cup of cookies.